In order for this to work, you just require a smartphone device and relationship to the internet. This can be done by anyone from anywhere in the planet. All you require to do is visit to the platforms I will demonstrate you in this video, sign up for definitely free, start installing apps, and receive your revenue. Okay, so we got a bunch of platforms to cover today, dudes, and as I announced before, they will all give money you through almost installing apps. I have a twosome that also pay you for playing games as well, and although the sites I will demonstrate you also have other alternatives in order to make money online for free, getting paid for installing and playing games is exactly. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques, and don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Let's get to the foremost app, called AppKarma, and I am presently over at their authorized website appkarma.io. Now, the exceptionally important thing worth remarking about AppKarma is that it's accessible for both iOS and Android, and I will demonstrate you the app on Google Play Store in a second. With that being said, AppKarma, as you can notice to the right here, will pay you for installing numerous apps, and when you launch them, you will receive points. How many points you receive relies on which app you install. Some pay better and some pay smaller, but in any trial, those points you can then switch for money. As far as how you will be getting paid, they request PayPal but also top branded gift cards like Amazon, for example. I didn't see any additional payment alternatives apart from these, so if you seem to live somewhere where PayPal isn't accessible, then stay tuned, as I have additional apps to demonstrate you that also give far extra payment alternatives. Now, something of note that I think is a really cool feature, it isn't that game altering, is that they'll deliver you 300 points for just installing the app. As I announced, nothing too extraordinary, but it is a nice attribute that I believed would be worth mentioning. Something else that is far more valuable, however, is that they offer a referral scheme. As you can notice, now, as I announced in this video, we are concentrating on getting paid by installing apps, but AppKarma literally offers a very good referral scheme, which is why I'm speaking of it. As you can see, they'll pay you 30% of what your referrals earn. These are some of the greatest commissions I've discovered for a make money app like this, and this is why it's not a dangerous concept to try and refer a pair of people to here. Regardless, something I really preferred to demonstrate you guys about AppKarma are its reviews and analysis, since there are so numerous apps like it that aren't legit. But if you visit to the Google Play Store, you will see that just put, that's not the issue with AppKarma. It has a 4-star grade on Google Play, but further honorably, it has over 300,000 reviews. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that the enormous majority of people rated it at 5 stars, and you can moreover read out some of the reviews if you so wish. But in any case, the point is that due to the sheer number of reviews on Google Play here, it is practically impossible that this isn't a legit app. So I would highly suggest you all guys try it out. With that announced, let's now shift on to the additional platform for today. This one is called GetPayto.com. Now, for those of you who don't have PayPal accessible, you will respect this platform. But before I go ahead and show you that, let me first off go over what you can do in declaration to get paid in the introductory place. As you can notice, you can attain surveys, play games, which is specifically what we want. You can finish off tasks for easy points, and lastly, you can finish online offers. Now, out of all of these, playing and installing games is the fairest and understandable one, and also the greatly fun too. Below here you will be able to observe how finishes this work. You'll obviously first play and install the apps. You will then receive your points, and by the way, they also notify you how many points equivalents how many dollars. So 5,000 points is $1. Anyhow, once you accumulate a few thousand points, you can substitute them for money to get paid. And speaking of, let me enclose that now, since I did speak of it a while back. If you arrive near the very bottom of the page, you will detect that this platform, unlike the prior one, extends far more payment alternatives. You can get paid through bank transfer, Skrill, any cryptocurrencies you wish, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum and so on. They request Amazon gift cards, and they of course also offer PayPal. All in all, they do give several ways for you to get paid, and that's an actually favorable feature of this platform. Now, to get started making money playing games, what you require to do is come back up, and then you want to click on join free today right here. On the successive page, just enter in your username, password, your email address, your full name, date of birth, your country, and by the direction, take a look at this, guys. This site operates in all of these numerous countries. It's safe to say it's near worldwide accessible. In any case, to finish the registration procedure, just enter in your city and zip code, tick this box to agree to their terms, finish the CAPTCHA, and click on complete registration down below. The additional platform I have for you today is this one called Sense.com. This site, just like that earlier one, has loads of way for you to make money online, as you can notice right here. Get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos and more. So as you can detect, you can get paid by downloading numerous apps, which in the climax is what we are going for. Presently, another direction you can get paid with this platform is by referring people, and this site has tremendous commissions for referrals, just like that early platform. As you can detect, you can get paid 30% commissions, which, as I announced before, is far greater than most similar apps offer. However though, in order to get turned on making money with this platform, what you require to do is enter in your email and password here, and click on join now. Now this platform here, dudes, is my favorite, and it's called Priceable.com. Something I actually love about this app that I believe is worth mentioning is that it pays immediately, so you don't have to worry around to get paid, and they will pay in numerous various ways as well. They show PayPal, obviously, as we can detect, but apart from that they have Amazon, Visa, Steam and eBay as well, as which is actually cool. If you scroll down a little, you will be able to see that some members of this site literally got some big prizes as well. This person got a TV, for example. Now obviously, you largely likely won't receive such rewards, but it's worth remarking that there's still an opportunity to do so, which is a pleasant expansion to this site. To get started on making money with this, just come back up, and you can now either sign up through Facebook or just enter in all of your details in here and click on start making money to construct your brand new account. The last platform I will be moving over today, which is also the premium platform for those of you who have stayed up until now, is called Plugco.in. Now right off the bat, I want to notify you that this site will not be able to pay you by downloading games, so let's bring that clear right away. But I would however suggest you attempting it out, because as you can see, people are making a lot of money with it. This person made $200 independently. The way this works is that you will get paid by promoting apps, so not installing them, and whenever someone installs the app through your link, you will get paid. As easy as that. It's an actually good idea to integrate this app with the others to get paid passively, because all you practically have to do is promote an app on your social media and your work from there is done. Now how much you'll get paid does rely a lot on your social media followership, but actually if you don't have that many followers, it's still worth a try to use this app and rule to get paid, and that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. See you in the successive video.